What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the Flow Auto Detail YouTube channel. This is the very first video on this channel. My name is Francisco. I am the owner of Flow Auto Detail, a small business that I started here 3 or 4 months ago, and this is my journey on what I learned and who I learned it from, and basically how I've applied these techniques to start my own auto detailing business. Like I said, this channel and the purpose of this channel is to show everything that I've learned and how I'm applying it, these techniques, these cleaning methods, anything from chemicals to products, different brushes, vacuums, of course, extractors. You know, I've researched it all and I tried to get the best equipment that I could get within the budget that I had. As far as the business side of stuff, I will also be getting into that a little bit. Just a quick heads up, I have no business degree or anything like that, so whatever advice I do give you, just know that there isn't just one way to do it. This is just what's worked for me, from what I've researched and from what I know from personal experience. So like I said, no business degree, so just bear with me. I know there's going to be some bumps on the road. There already has been since I started this, so I know what's to come, more or less. But like I said, for the business side, there will be some of that little tidbits in here there, and if people are interested, if that becomes sort of what's most viewed on this channel, then I will try to focus on those things a little bit more. But it all just depends on the views, I guess, and how interested and the type of questions you guys want to be answered. Social media is a great way to expose your small businesses and get your name out there. Google, of course, is another website that you can use, and that's actually what I've been using. Instagram has been not the most popular because I haven't been posting consistently as I should. There's all the algorithms and everything that you got to follow, and that's basically the best way for you to grow on those platforms. But yes, check out my Instagram at Flow Auto Detail on Instagram, and Google, of course, you can just click or search Flow Auto Detail. If you're in the Pacific Northwest in the Portland area, that is where I am working at in Oregon, then it might pop up. But if you're somewhere in a different state, it might not, because it's still a small page. So that's what I'm working on as well. So like I said, business stuff will be on here as well. But now let's get to the meat of this sandwich, of this video, and that is, of course, this detail on this Hyundai Accent that has not been cleaned since the owner bought it, which is about 10 or 11 years ago, something like that, which is pretty incredible. And as you can see, I'm going to cut to some of the images of the before. As you can see, the car was pretty dirty. He has 2 kids as well. I'm not going to give away who the person is, of course. That is not my intention on these videos or anything like that. I'm not calling people out. These are just the cars they bring me, and I work on them and I detail them as the best I can, make them brand new again. That is my promise to every customer, is that I will somehow get your car looking brand new. It doesn't matter how dirty it is. No job is too big. And as you will see at the end of this video with the after clips, you will see that this car is going to be looking brand new, no matter how dirty it is and no matter how bad detailers make the pictures look so that people click on the videos. I mean, hey, that's just something they do. I'm not gonna hate on them. It's what you got to do. So the befores, obviously, they look really good, but the after, I think, is my favorite part, when the car is nice, fresh, and clean, just like at the end of the video, like I'm saying. So stick around, watch the whole video. I'm gonna get into the process of beginning to end of how I detail a car. And we will now start with washing the exterior. So with the exterior of the vehicle, you always want to start with the wheels first. So here I'm just using a little APC diluted 10:1 and a drill brush to get them nice and clean. So after the wheels, we want to rinse the car and get any of the loose dirt off of the vehicle, anything that the foam cannon won't get to. And next, I want to hit it with the foam cannon, cover the whole vehicle, top to bottom, and let the foam get some of the dirt and just wash it off. And next, I want to rinse it. Yes, I rinse the vehicle off after I hit it with the foam cannon, and then I do my 2 bucket wash. So let's go ahead and get our 2 buckets ready. This first one with the slow-mo shot that I'm very proud of has our shampoo in it. I'm using Griot's Brilliant Finish Wax, which actually works pretty well in the foam can, believe it or not. And so with the wash mitt, you want to start at the top of the vehicle and go down. The bottom of the vehicle is always the dirtiest, so you want to do that last so that you're not rubbing or trying not to rub as much dirt and contaminants all over the vehicle. So stick to the bottom last. And lastly is the drying phase. You want to use a microfiber drying towel to dry the vehicle, starting from the top and going to the bottom, always remembering the detailing rules. And of course, no circular patterns, just vertical and horizontal. Back and forth is fine, but no circular patterns to prevent any of the scratching on the vehicle or marring. So next you want to go around the vehicle with a garbage bag, picking up any big, large debris or garbage that the vacuum will not be able to pick up, so we can get ready for our next step, the mats. So for the mats, you want to hit them with a pressure washer and then your favorite APC or carpet solution. And then of course the drill brush, and that should get them pretty clean. And at the end you want to extract the water out of them with your extractor. I have a Bissell Spot Clean Pro and it gets the job done. And next we want to move on to vacuuming the carpets, and a trick that I find really helpful is to go around the edges, especially where the mats end, and hit it with a brush so that you can get all the dirt and debris that's stuck in between all the nooks and crannies. now moving on to the seats, we want to start off by spraying our favorite carpet solution on them so we can get them ready for the drill brush. These seats were very dirty with all kinds of coffee stains, dirt stains, food stains, whatever you call it. So the green brush here is called up for duty and it gets the job done. And now moving on to the back seat, and it's pretty much the same process all throughout. You just want to spray your favorite carpet solution, hit it with a drill brush and extract, and just do it over as many times as you want until you're satisfied with the results, or until all the stains are out, because sometimes, or most of the times, you are able to pull all of the stains out. But with a car that hasn't been detailed in this long, and with the amount of spills and whatnot in this car, it just wasn't going to be possible to get everything out. I tried my best, and that's why this clip goes for a pretty long while. I had to go over and over and over some of the spots until I was satisfied, because I really wanted this car to come out nice and clean. And so I think with the end results, everybody will see that it came out pretty well. And now we move on to the door panel. So I'm going to spray it with some APC, that is an HDX chemical sprayer from Home Depot. Next, I use my steamer, the Steam Central Machinery steam cleaner from Harbor Freight. And everybody has their opinions about the steamers. I just use this one because it's what I could grab locally. That is kind of what I want to do, as I like to see the item myself first before I buy it. So that's what I did. Bought the Central Machinery steam cleaner, and it gets the job done. Next, just use a microfiber to wipe off the surface. I just use Kirkland brand, Costco brand microfiber towels. And that is the end of the detail. So here, as we cut to some of the shots of the final product, I just want to say thank you guys for watching till the end. This is my very first video, so please excuse the very bad editing. I'm working on it and I'm trying to get my shots down. So if there's any advice you want to give me, please leave it down below in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, because I'm a new channel, so I need all you guys to subscribe. The first 100 subscribers will let me change the name of the channel, so it will actually say Flow Auto Detail. So I would really appreciate it if you could do that. And of course, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and to check out my Google business page. That is at Flow Auto Detail. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you on the next one.